Hi, and welcome back to Books and Bites with NGPL. If you tuned into our video last week, you'll know that this will be the last Books and Bites video for now. I hope you guys have enjoyed what we've been putting up. I started this segment with a drink, so we're going to end it with a drink. I have two different smoothie recipes for you today. PB&J and Piña Colada. So let's get started. You'll need obviously a blender. I have strawberries. You need 1 banana, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and some milk. So you're going to add 1 cup of frozen strawberries. You'll need 1 whole banana, a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and 1 cup of milk. Make sure your lid is on nice and tight, and blend. I'm just going to check, make sure that there's no big chunks. All right, so that finishes that one. Now you guys will be watching this on Wednesday, but I'm actually making this on a Sunday. Sun's trying to come out, at least it's nice and warm. Smoothies are just nice in general in the summertime. So I'm going to wash this one and then we'll get started on the next one. Alright, so for this next one, the Piña Colada, you'll need a cup of frozen pineapple. One whole banana, one cup of coconut milk, I'm just going to mix that in. Now one of these just Thai kitchens is about 3/4 of a cup. So if you have more to top off, should probably do that. But I'm just not going to bother. So I'm just going to top it off with just a little bit of regular milk. Obviously this is not going to work out for somebody who's dairy free, but I'm not, so it doesn't matter to me. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. Alright. Again, make sure lid is on tight and blend. Make sure there's no chunks. There we go. So again, this is the last Books and Bites video for now. Won't say goodbye, just see you later, and always you'll see me in the library. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and keep staying safe out there, and hopefully we'll see each other again soon.